How to change eye color in 1 minute.
Let's start.
Select solid color. Choose any solid color. Press OK. Click at normal.
Choose color option. Click at mask.
And press Ctrl+I.
Go to brush tool.
And select this brush. Image is edited.
Before edit.
After edit. Subscribe for more learning with